Hello students, I am Dr. Harpreet Singh and I represent Team Conceptual Orthopedics. With me are Dr. Ravinder Dimri sir and Dr. Vishal Huggi sir. So, Team Conceptual Orthopedics, including Dr. Dimri sir, have planned a very exciting new course for you, that is Core to Cora Hip, a course which will focus on clearing your basics of hip arthroplasty. So I'll ask Dr. Dimri sir just to explain what are they planning for us in this upcoming course. Sir.
Thank you, Arpreet. So, after a very successful of a similar course in knee replacement, there was a demand to do this course. The way we have planned is this course will help those who are starting to practice doing arthroplasty and also for the exam going candidates.
Okay.
So, we'll walk you through the whole journey of a patient coming to you in outpatient clinic. There we will assess the patients whether the hip replacement is indicated or not indicated, how to consent the patients, and more important, how to optimize the patient from medical condition which you require for total hip replacement. Then we'll take you through the admission of the patients, and on the day of operation, we will first discuss how to plan the surgery by templating. So we'll discuss different implants to be used. We will clear your concepts of which implant to choose. So there will be a detailed discussion on choice of cup, choices of stems, and choice of bearing. And we will tell you pros and cons of all these and which will be suitable for a case. Once we decided that, we will take you through during operation what kinds tips and tricks we will use to get what you plan. So translate that into surgery. So how do you place your cup, in what inclination, what position? How do you get your stem right? And after that, we will discuss post-operative x-ray, whether you got it right or wrong, how to assess that. After that, we will take you through the early complications of this surgery. How do you get a rehabilitation after a hip replacement? And what are the follow-ups, and how will you diagnose the long-term complications, especially aseptic loosening and instability in the long terms? And we'll discuss this diagnosis and the management plan. So in short, this course will be completing the whole revision of a primary total hip replacements, both for exam going as well as for practitioner.
Okay. So a comprehensive course where we are discussing the planning, the execution, and the complications of a total hip arthroplasty. And anything about newer advances? Do we have them included in this course?
Along with that, as sir mentioned, covering everything. Along with that, there will be a hands-on sawbone workshop.
Okay.
With case-based discussions about few complex primaries which every one of us wants to learn. Yes, along with this, there is a robotic demonstration of a hip system to know the awareness of recent advance what is happening in the world. So that's going to be right there.
So a really exciting course which any budding arthroplasty surgeon should attend. Thank you, sir. Anything you want to add?
We are very excited, and we are planning, me and Vishal working very hard to plan this course. The whole Conceptual Orthopedics team will be there. I hope most of you can join us there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you at Delhi Center.
Thank you.
Thank you.